Today we are going to talk about an important question. Online study versus offline study. Which one is better? Some students love online study. Some students prefer offline classroom study. Both methods have advantages and disadvantages. Instead of choosing sides emotionally, we will understand both clearly and logically. What is online study? Online study means learning using the internet. Students attend classes through mobile phones, laptops, or tablets. They watch recorded videos, attend live classes, and download notes. Online study became popular during the pandemic, but now it is part of normal education. What is offline study? Offline study means traditional classroom learning. Students go to school or college. They sit in a classroom. Teachers teach face-to-face. This is the oldest and most common way of learning. Advantages of online study. Flexible. Students can study anytime and anywhere. If a student misses a class, they can watch the recording. Online study saves travel time and money. Students can learn from the best teachers in the world using the internet. Online study is very helpful for skill learning, such as coding, editing, English speaking, and competitive exam preparation. Disadvantages of online study. Online study needs strong self-discipline. Many students get distracted by social media and games. Students may feel lonely. Too much screen time harms eyes and health. Not all students have good internet or devices. Advantages of offline study. Offline study gives real classroom experience. Students can ask questions instantly. Teachers can understand student problems better. Students develop discipline and routine. Offline study improves communication and social skills. Study. Students must travel daily. Classes are fixed time. If a student misses a class, it is hard to recover. Sometimes teaching quality depends only on one teacher. Which one is better? Online study is good for flexibility and skill learning. Offline study is good for discipline and deep understanding. So the best option is not online or offline. The best option is hybrid learning. Use offline classes for basics and guidance. Use online resources for revision and extra learning. Example: a smart student attends school regularly. After school, the student uses online videos for revision. This student learns faster than others. Outro: online study and offline study are both tools. Success does not depend on the mode. Success depends on consistency and discipline. Choose the method that helps you study better.